If you are a truck owner or owner operator and you are tired of chasing loads, negotiating bad rate, most truckers face same problems. Low rates, dead head miles, unpaid detention, bad brokers, too much paperwork. Biggest problem is time. We are not a call center. We are not bullion based. Focus on quality loads, honest communication, and long-term relationship. You drive, we handle everything else because your success is our success. Chasing loads and start running your business. Contact Abid Logistic and Dispatch.